Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you a translation system. How will you interact your customer and how the customer will get you through online and will submit their information document file to translate to you. This is kinda e-commerce system. They will select the subject, modify our translation or according to settings from admin section. Suppose translation, I select here language, suppose Arabic to English. They will upload the PDF document and many others according to need. We set here and submit. Upon submit, we can see the subject. We set here from to. Those information will be saved to database table. Total payment, and they will log in to pay. First they need to register customers, our database table, suppose this one. Now they can pay through the PayPal or can pay through the card, Visa, MasterCard, whichever they want, and they will click the button and they will make payment. After making payment, after login, they can see their profile, they can see the translation status. It is not submitted yet, so you cannot see the information. Now I'm gonna show you the admin part. Log out, admin. Here is the settings, country, users, translator, who will be our translator. Many people can work as a translator at a time. Customer who register here. Settings, language, which language admin will translate. Subject, we set here. Translate rate, card processing fee, newsletter, can send newsletter according to selecting subject, content management, translate. Customer information will translate, translator, and submit, get assignee. You will get email and information and you will start work, and after completing, you will upload the file, download file. Now I'm gonna show you the database table, contents, email contents, subject for, translation details, translator, translate. Translation details the customer submitted and data has been saved into this table. Thanks for watching this tutorial.